What up, gang? You don't know Nan here, and today I'm about to teach you step by step how to jailbreak your own Fire Stick. Right after this, roll it. Alright, let's jump straight into it. But before we do that, we must ask ourselves, why do I want to jailbreak my Fire Stick? Jailbreaking your Fire Stick allows you to be able to download third-party apps from different developers that aren't really approved to be inside the Amazon store, if you know what I mean. Dope apps. Most of the apps that do come on the Amazon Fire Stick already require a premium subscription, and they're only bound to the licenses that they have for those movies and television shows. So in other words, jailbreaking your Fire Stick is just kind of like unleashing the beast. Like I said, I'm gonna show you step by step, like not now, but like right now. Let's go. We are on the home screen, so this is gonna be real quick and easy. We're gonna be in and out of here. Let's go to where the magic happens. We are gonna go to settings. We are gonna go first to my FireTv. This is where we're gonna go to developer options, and you want to turn ADB debugging on. You also wanna go to apps from unknown sources, and you wanna turn that on. Apps from unknown sources, you get a menu that pops up. You just wanna click on turn on. Going back out of that, that's basically the first part. That's the hardest part, y'all. Now we're gonna go back out, and we're gonna go up to our search bar, and we're gonna download an app called Downloading. Pops up soon as you type in the D. We're gonna click OK. We're gonna click on Downloader. We have a little cloud icon. You wanna click on that. That is gonna download the app for you. It should be real quick. Let's open that app up now. Allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. We're gonna click allow. We're gonna click OK. Get out that main menu part. Now this is where you type in your bit URL. I'm gonna have the bit URL posted down below so you can see it. You can type it in real quick and easy. Now what you wanna do is you wanna type in this bit URL, that is bit.ly/Filelinked FireTv. Get it in your memory bank. So now we're ready to download. We're just gonna click go. And just like that, we are now downloading Filelinked. Filelinked is what you need to be able to download third-party applications, people. All right, so we're gonna go install it. And we are done. Let's go to done real quick. We're gonna go back to the home menu. I just want to show you guys something real quick, just because people tend to come back to the home menu and they don't see their application right there right away. It's usually because it goes down to the bottom, and with it going down to the bottom, you gotta go into your see all, and it's real simple. You just go to your app. You see how we got it down at the bottom, and you want to click on those three lines right there. See the three-line button? Click on the three lines right there. That is for options. And simple, you just want to go move to front, and now it puts it at the top. And if you go back, when you turn on your Amazon Fire Stick and come to your home menu, it will be the first app on your display. So now let's go into Filelinked. This is the fun part. We're in Filelinked. This is where the magic happens. This is where you get all the dope apps I was telling you about. All the different streaming services, all the different streaming apps, the free streaming apps, the movie apps, the fight apps, all your various international channels. This is where you get all of that good stuff, guys. So let's just go through it real quick. I am going to take you to my Filelinked store. At the time I'm shooting this, I only have 2 apps in here, but by the time you guys see this, by the time it's uploaded, there will be a ton of free apps. Listen to me again. A ton of free apps for you guys to download. Pass on the love, man. Filelinked works in codes, so different stores have different codes. The code you want to enter in for my Filelinked store will be 47688700. I will have it down below so you guys can jot that down as well. And we're gonna go click next. And it does come with a pin, so remember this: the greatest of all time, Michael Jordan, 2345. That is the pin, y'all. Don't forget it. You can never forget it, because who's the greatest? MJ. Let's go click next. Welcome to Legends TV. Click continue. Now you're gonna have a pop-up come up. There it goes. We're gonna go to dismiss, get out of that pop-up. We're gonna click the down arrow. We're gonna download our first third-party app, which is the Legends TV app. Shameless plug, y'all. Legends TV is my IPTV streaming service. It's a dope app if you want to try it for free. We do run on a subscription basis, monthly basis, but if you do want to try it for free, you can email me. The link will be down in the description. You can go visit the website. The link will also be down in the description. Click on free trial and you guys fill it out, check it out, do what you do with it. I promise you, it's an amazing service. I'm gonna show you real quick. So we're gonna go to install. And we're gonna click done. Now the same thing goes for this. I'm gonna back out. It's gonna say enter a new code. Are you sure you want to enter a new code? Keep in mind the current session will end. Click yes. This means nothing, people. It just means we're going back to the main menu. Back out. We're gonna back out of this. And again, we're gonna go to see all. We're gonna go to the bottom, and there you have it. The Legends TV app is installed. This is our first third-party app. I'm excited. I'm happy for you. Let's see what's rocking. Let's click on options. Let's go move to front like we did before. And let's go back, and it is in the front, guys. Now we are going to log in. I just want to show you guys real quick. Just do a quick rundown of what Legends TV is about. While I have you right now, like I said, shameless plug, click allow. Now this is Legends TV. This is my streaming service. Super amazing. Really fast, really responsive, no lag, no buffering. If you guys are into subscription-based services, IPTV services, you know the difference between the free ones and the paid ones. That's all I'm gonna say, but let's bring it in here. Live TV real quick. And we have everything for you guys. We have everything. Sports, NBA, movie channels, kids, pay-per-view, locals. We've got French channels, Latina channels, more international channels that we're adding. We also have 24/7 channels. That is 24/7 of any of your favorite TV shows that you like. And we dibble into a little of the unknown. Let's move out of that one. So we're gonna back up, we're gonna back out. And that is basically it. Y'all ain't even really need my help. If you see how easy that was, I'm surprised that people are paying $80, $100 for Fire Sticks. It really is ridiculous, but now you guys know how to do it yourself. So if you guys learned anything from this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, punch that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. I got more content to bring you. Stay tuned, and I'm out.